Hello everyone. Today in this video I am going to discuss that how we can prepare the temporary mount of onion peel. So let's begin. First of all, which material we required for this activity? One medium sized onion, cover slip, knife, brush, needle, watch glass, water, glycerin, saffron stain, blotting paper, scissors, glass light. Now I will show you how you can make temporary mount of onion peel. Take a medium size onion and cut it laterally into 5-6 pieces with the help of knife like this. In step second, remove the scale leaves from one of the piece of onion. In step 3, remove the epidermis layer from the scale leaves with the help of forceps like this. Look at carefully. This is the epidermis layer of this onion. After removing this epidermis, place it in a watch glass containing distilled water. If this mount is larger in size, then with the help of forceps and scissors, cut this mount into smaller pieces. You can also use blade in place of scissors. So cut the mount like this. Now take another petri dish and place in it 3 drops of saffron solution. Now with the help of brush, transfer the mount from water to the saffron stain and then wait for 1 to 2 minutes. So this is the saffron stain, and with the help of brush you have to transfer this mount from here to here. After 2 minutes, transfer the peel back to the watch glass containing water. This will remove the extra stain sticking to the peel. Then take a clean glass slide and pour 1 to 2 drops of glycerin over it. This is the glycerin. We have to add just only 1 or 2 drops. Now transfer the stained peel on the drops of glycerin on the slide with the help of brush. Flatten the peel with the help of brush. You can also use needle. Spread the mount carefully with the help of brush and needle. Your mount should not be folded. So look at here how you can spread the mount. Now place the cover slip on the slide in such a way that no air bubbles enter in it. Look at here how you can place the cover slip over the mount. You can take the help of needle. Now gently press the cover slip with needle to spread glycerin and peel properly. Remove the extra material surrounding the slide with the help of blotting paper. Your slide should be neat and clean. So clean the slide properly. Now your slide is ready. Now examine the slide under the compound microscope. Look at here, these are onion peel cells which contain cell wall, cytoplasm, and at the center nucleus is also present. Nucleus is not exactly present at the center, it's slightly present toward the cell membrane due to the presence of very large sized vacuole. So this is all about this activity. In my next video, I will discuss the MCQs related to this activity. So watch my next video. Thank you.